A very warm welcome to my channel. We are going to talk about microneedling. If you are interested in to get a glow from head to toe, please keep on watching. Also at the end of this, you are going to get a huge giveaway and a thank you to all my subscribers for reaching 15,000. Thank you again. Keep on watching. Today's topic is going to be on microneedling. I had told you guys about microblading. If you remember this, in case you haven't seen that video or if you are new to the channel, I'm going to link the facial tutorial on fruit facial where I had also shown the microblading. Microblading can really make you look younger. There is another technique, it's called microneedling. Now for microneedling, I have to show you a kit. This is the kit I'm going to show you, and this kit is called the Glopro Head to Toe Glow. So this is the Glopro, and at the back there is instructions on the Glopro. So I have this is basically one of the attachments that it comes with. This is very easy to take it out, so you have to just press it on and the attachment can be put in very easily as well. So this is one of the attachments. The second attachment I have is this one, which is a bigger attachment, as you can see, to cover larger surfaces like your abdomen, your thighs, and areas where the small Glopro attachment will not do. I have alcohol in a beautiful rose gold bottle. This is the restoring quadrilipid cream, and then this is the sculptor body, and this is the eye cream that it comes with. The eye cream is teeny tiny, but they are all rose gold in color, which is also one of my favorite colors. And I don't want to waste any time, and I want to go straight to the tutorial and what I do and how I do it. So what is microneedling? Microneedling is basically causing small needles into your skin and making 200 times increased absorption of the products that you're going to use on your skin. This is creating micro channels on your skin so that the skin can absorb all of these ingredients that you're giving the skin. So you could put as much cream as you want. It's not going to make a difference if the skin is not able to absorb it. So we need to create channels in the skin to cause the cream to go in. When you have put cream on your face, I'm sure you look that the cream is glistening, but after a while the kind of cream goes away and the skin glow goes away as well. We don't want that. We want every bit of that cream to go inside your skin. Otherwise, you could be using a $300 face cream. It's not going to make any difference unless you create some sort of a microneedling channel. The second most benefit is cellular turnover. So with this, we can have new skin growth. So this attachment, I'm going to use it for my face, and I'm going to show you how to use it in the right way. So I have the attachment ready. I just came back from work. I have removed all my face makeup except for the eye and a little bit of lip gloss that I have, and I'm still going to clean it out for you guys. I have taken a Neutrogena facial wipe and I'm going to clean out my face. It comes with a separate eye attachment, so you can always have an eye attachment extra that you can buy. I haven't bought the eye attachment yet. I've been using this for at least 8 to 9 months now. So once I have cleaned it out, you can see I have some makeup here. Then I'm going to take one of the pads. These are the Glopro pads. As you can see, it has been loved quite a bit because I use at least 3 times a week. I'm going to take this and cleanse my skin for the second time. I also want to show you my hand with the bigger attachment. That's why I'm cleansing out. Although I have no makeup on my hand, but I know that there are impurities and stuff, so I'm going to clean out my hand as well. Now I'm going to use the Glopro attachment. So what I would do with this attachment is, I would definitely clean it with alcohol, which I have already done, and then I'm going to use the Glopro. You can use it in any direction. You just have to use it for 60 seconds. It can be vertical, it can be horizontal. It's foolproof. So what I'm doing is I'm creating micro channels. Don't go close to the eye. If you buy the eye attachment, you can always do that. Make sure you see till the end to enter the giveaway and to get the giveaway question. So we have done the Glopro for the face. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the cream that I have, the skin quenching cream, and the cream I'm just taking it, dabbing it, and you can use any cream. You don't have to use this cream. You already have created the micro needles on your face or the micro channels on the face. So I have done that process. So this is the attachment that I was using. So I'm just going to press here and it comes out, and I'm going to use this attachment to show you guys how it can be used for your hand. So this is my hand right here, as you can see, and I have already cleansed out with the alcohol pad. Now I'm going to put it on, and I'm going to cause vertical, horizontal movements throughout the epidermal layer of the skin, causing microchannels to be formed. This is essential for the skin's growth. Remember, vertical exfoliation causes cellular turnover, and that's how your skin looks rejuvenated. You have growth of collagen, and you have firm, younger looking skin, and also very even skin tone, which can be a problem once you reach late 30s or 40s. It can be a challenging thing. So this is how we can combat the problem with the uneven skin tone and the firmness of the skin. So you want the skin to be lifted up. So during all these procedures, what we are trying to do is we are trying to get the skin lifted up. Now for this, they have a sculpting cream, which is this. However, I don't use this sculpting cream that much. You could use this sculpting cream. I still have quite a bit of sculpting cream left. It's very nice. But there is a cream that I have found which works better for me, and it can be any cream that you feel that is going to give you that instant glow or instant suppleness. So your hand is looking firm and even toned. The cream that I use, it's Charlotte Tilbury's cream, and I'm sure you have seen this. It comes in a smaller pack as well. I'm going to outline below everything that I have shown in this video. So I'm going to use a little bit of this cream. You can see this cream now. Since I've already created the micro needling, the cream is going to go in within like seconds. This one, the Quench Lipid Cream, is ethereal, I have to tell you. It also comes with a eye cream. Then you can put the eye cream under the eye after you are done with this process. Now, to enter the giveaway, I think you guys know that I reached 15,000 subscribers, and to say a thank you to all my subscribers, I've decided to do a giveaway for you guys. The giveaway is going to be an Amazon gift card for $100, and the giveaway is going to be declared on May 31st. So the rules for the giveaway one more time. Number one, you have to go to my Instagram channel, which is Doc Nature Lover, and subscribe. Number two, you have to comment down below as to what topic you want to hear from me. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.